This could be the car for you. The 2023 Nissan Altima. Get all the features you want and need in this multi-talented Altima. Spacious comfort, active safety tech and connectivity, flexible layout, athletic performance, and available all-wheel drive set the stage for a confident and highly enjoyable driving experience. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, alarm, intermittent wipers, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, floor mats, passenger vanity mirror, rear reading lamps. Sacrifice nothing. This Altima has it all. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.